My sincere gratitude to Brahmarshi Patriji, who has guided me in successfully conducting the Seth Wisdom and Pyramid Making workshops.
Dear friends, energy of pyramids has been utilized from ages by most enlightened societies around the world. Pyramid energy has been studied and researched by many countries for its mystical, preservative, healing and other benefits. As Earth is moving into higher frequencies, pyramids are most helpful for accelerating our spiritual evolution. Now let us know the history of pyramids and also the available scientific research done on the pyramid energy. The first thing that comes into mind whenever we think of pyramids are Egypt pyramids. Egypt pyramids were built 10,000 plus years back. Giza pyramid in Egypt is a gigantic construction with 481 feet height and 2.3 million blocks of limestone and rock, each weighing 2 to 70 tons. It is formulated that Pyramid of Giza balances the entire Earth energy system, as it lies in the center of gravity of the continents. It is found to be in the exact center of all the land area of the world, dividing the Earth's landmass into approximately equal quarters. This is the aerial view of pyramids in Egypt. A similar view of pyramids on the planet Mars in the photographs taken by NASA. This adds to the proof that pyramids are built not only on planet Earth but elsewhere also. This pyramid of Kukulkan in Mexico, built during the late Mayan period, it is a calendar of remarkable accuracy. Latest archaeological excavations in Bosnia have found this mountain to be a pyramid, covered subsequently by soil and trees. It stands at a height of 720 feet and much older than Giza pyramid. These are some of the pyramids used by Tibetans for different purposes. The Mesoamerican region's largest pyramid by volume, indeed the largest in the world by volume, is the Great Pyramid of Cholula in the Mexican state of Puebla. Pyramids are not confined to just Egypt, Bosnia and Mexico, but every part of the world has pyramids. A few New Age pyramids. These are some of the pyramids found in various countries: India, Mexico, Turkey, Greece, China, United States, Australia, Sudan, and Japan. Religious structures are now being built in the pyramid shape as they contain more energy and people feel very peaceful there. These are the meditation pyramids constructed in 2002 at Osho Commune International, Pune in India. Now here in the world's biggest meditation pyramid exclusively built for spiritual advancement. It is energized by 860 Himalayan crystals. 5,000 people can meditate at a given time. It is Maitreya Buddha Dhyana Vidya Viswalayam, constructed by Pyramid Spiritual Society in Bengaluru. The pyramid city proposed in Japan will be 12 times larger than Giza pyramid when constructed. This is built specifically for protection against tsunamis, large winds and earthquakes. Now, let us know about pyramid energy. When you come down right from the universe, Milky Way, solar system, Earth, physical body, cells, atom, protons, neutrons, electrons, energy. So everything is just energy. you can see the energy patterns around a few objects caught by Kirlian photographs. Pyramids are energy storehouses. The energy distribution in and around the pyramid is depicted here. This is the energy found around a small pyramid keychain that fits into your palm. Imagine how much energy in a bigger pyramid. Pyramid amplifies the energy of any item or living being which comes into its energy field. The first photograph depicts the energy field of a finger 1 minute before and after pyramid treatment. The second photograph shows the energy pattern of a leaf 5 minutes before and after pyramid treatment. The third photograph depicts the energy field of the room before and after placing a pyramid. The great Indian mystic Osho says, if every child can stay for 1 hour in the pyramid, in every school and every college, life can be stretched at least up to 300 years. Osho's last wish in his spiritual journey on Earth planet was to get a pyramid constructed in the Osho commune. New Age spiritual seer Brahmashri Patriji's foremost wish in his spiritual journey was to get millions of pyramids constructed everywhere. Patriji says, meditation done inside a pyramid is thrice more powerful. New Age spiritual guru Ramtha says, ancestors have built pyramids symbolizing man's inner fire and divinity. One would know all there is to ever know inside a pyramid. Seth, celestial guide channeling through Jane Roberts, told that pyramid energy activates all the 7 bodies. Now, here are some of the research findings from Russian Academy of Medical Sciences, Institute of Theoretical and Experimental Biophysics, Graphite Scientific Research Institute, and Institute of Physics in Ukraine. Pyramid research on health. Exposure in the pyramid has resulted in increased health indexes of newborn babies, increase in immune system of organisms, faster regeneration of tissues, and increase in survival of cellular tissues infected by viruses and bacteria. They further found a decrease in the strength of various viruses and bacteria that are harmful. Effectiveness of pharmaceuticals increased with decreasing side effects. Pyramid-treated normal water acted as energetic as glucose water. Other pyramid research on environment. After a pyramid was built, the ozone layer improved in the atmosphere of Russia. Areas near the pyramids seem to have diminished seismic activity. Instead of one large, powerful earthquake occurring, there are hundreds of tiny ones. Violent weather also seems to decrease in the area of the pyramids. When radioactive waste is placed inside the pyramids, there is a decrease in their level of radioactivity. The yield of the oil wells increased by 30% when a pyramid complex was built on an oil field in southern Russia. Agriculture seeds placed in the pyramid had shown a 30 to 100% increase in the yield of the crop. When the seeds are placed in a pyramid, the amount of toxiferous matters in plants decreased sharply. Here is an incident from a famous newspaper. A few spots in Nagpur, India, had a high record of accidents, which has become a constant worry for police department. Small pyramids, when installed around the road, had brought down the accidents to zero. Jail inmates' behavior was much improved when food items for them were prepared from salt and pepper kept under a pyramid. Research on animals had shown that cats started disliking meat when exposed to a pyramid for 6 weeks. A person got into alpha state when a 2x2 pyramid was placed above him. An alpha feedback machine confirmed this. It is further found that memory power and concentration of students will be improved. The benefits presented earlier were just few. However, there are many other benefits of the pyramid that open new doors for prosperity and happiness of the human being. 20 years back, one such door was opened by Brahmashri Patriji, a soil scientist by worldly education. Having attained enlightenment in 1979, he gradually founded Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement. He is the one who has, for the first time in the world, authentically utilized and heralded the power of pyramids for meditation. PSSM is leading humanity from violence to non-violence, from non-vegetarianism to vegetarianism, from blind belief to scientific experimentation and scientific logic, from insane materialism to sane spirituality. He is an intensive traveler who has been spreading the benefits of meditation and pyramids to millions of people worldwide through Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement. Pyramid meditation is used for entering easily into higher states of consciousness. With this altered state of consciousness, third eye, potential becomes more kinetic. Astral travel becomes easily possible. Connectivity with astral masters and other galactic civilizations become possible. Paul Bruton had these experiences in Giza Pyramid. Similar experiences were experienced every day by pyramid masters in many pyramids across India. This photograph depicts the positive changes in a patient's aura before and after meditation. All the 7 chakras get strongly activated through pyramid meditation. Now, there are hundreds of meditation pyramids constructed by pyramid masters in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and other states of India. Now, let us see some of these pyramids. This is the first exclusive meditation pyramid built in 1991 at Kurnool town of Andhra Pradesh. Then on, it has been serving thousands of people for meditation practice. Bengaluru Mega Pyramid in the picturesque Pyramid Valley. A few other pyramids. Pyramid meditation centers in Gollala Mamidada, Adoni, Mandapeta, and Vizag. Classroom pyramid complex constructed in Pondicherry for students of Acharya Group of Educational Institutions. Usage of pyramids. Pyramid can be used in many ways for several purposes. As a study table for students, over the bed for a peaceful sleep, hanging pyramids to do meditation. Pyramids can be used as a tent and mosquito nets. Pyramids can also be used for preservation. Natural qualities of any item or living being are retained with pyramid energy. Pyramids can be used for healing. These are some of the real-life healing experiences with pyramid meditation. Here are some of the views of medical science professionals. Infinite energy potential, increased harmony, physical, mental, and social health. Pyramid meditation increases the creativity, mind power, concentration, and excellence in academics. Conclusion. Pyramid energy is, thus, useful for higher meditative experiences, preservation, healing, improved behavior, and environmental harmony. As Earth is moving into higher frequencies, pyramid becomes very helpful to accelerate our spiritual evolution. Imagine when you have millions of pyramids in the world. It is Patriji's vision to see Pyramid Jagat by 2016. A world full of pyramids. What we do now, if you do not already have a pyramid, buy one. If you own a place or a house, construct a pyramid. If you do not own a place or a house, inspire one to build a pyramid and help make the earth a better place.
Pyramids are mysterious structures. I first read about the pyramids in the year 1982 through a book titled Secret Power of the Pyramids, authored by Bill Shull and Ed Pettit. Then I called my carpenter and asked me to give me two small-sized pyramids. Then he did make two small pyramids with decolam sheets, and then I put one tomato inside one pyramid and one tomato outside the pyramid. That outside tomato put it in 3-4 days. The inside tomato stayed fresh for 1 month with a little of desiccation. Then I started putting the pyramid on the heads of people because I was already into meditation. So then I found their meditation was very deep with the pyramid on their heads. So that is my first encounter with the pyramid energy. Later on, in the year 1991, we built a big pyramid in Kurnool called as the Buddha Pyramid Meditation Center, where it's a 30 feet by 30 feet pyramid where 200 people can happily sit and do meditation. So that is the first pyramid meditation center perhaps in the whole world. That was in the year 1991. Subsequently, the second pyramid came in Uravakonda in Anantapur district in Andhra Pradesh in the year 1996. Afterwards, a number of pyramids have come up everywhere. Now, in Andhra Pradesh, more than 1,000 pyramids are there in various villages, towns of various sizes. Recently, last year, we have built a very big pyramid near Bangalore, where 5,000 people at a time can sit in meditation. So, it's such a beautiful pyramid. We call it as the Pyramid Valley. We want everybody in the whole world to visit the Pyramid Valley near Bangalore for beautiful meditation experience. We have discovered that meditation, when being done inside a pyramid or beneath a pyramid, then that is thrice more powerful. Especially for beginners, the pyramids are highly useful for them to get into a meditation mood very quickly. Whatever you do inside a pyramid energy field, then that gets enhanced. We are now currently in a great pyramid energy era. So especially for meditation, is absolutely recommended. And if you are constructing some meditation center, it should be constructed in the form of a pyramid. So, what are the dimensions of a pyramid? It's a square base with the 4 walls angled at the same angle as the Great Pyramid in Egypt. So, when you follow the same angle, and also the pyramid should be oriented towards the north and south, the magnetic north and south. Then what happens? We have a small replica of the Great Pyramid in Egypt. That Great Pyramid was built by masters from other galaxies more than 10,000-12,000 years back. That's what we hear from those people who know the science of meditation. Those people who have done a lot of meditation, who have got cosmic information. Pyramids are very, very mysterious structures. How that such kind of energy is generated, that depends upon Earth's gravitational or any gravitational field of any Earth, any planet, vis-a-vis the relationship with the vis-a-vis with other structures, other star systems. So each Earth has got its own unique angle, and in the physical creation there are n number of Earths, n number of planets revolving around n number of suns. So everywhere there is this pyramid technology, and when you construct a pyramid, even 4 poles are enough to get that energy field. It is very, very easy to manufacture pyramids on a small scale or to construct pyramids on a big scale. And our whole movement, now it is called as the Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, based upon the pyramid model and the pyramid energy. The main aim of the movement is to construct pyramids in all villages, in towns, in cities, so that all people will do meditation inside pyramids. And everybody will be able to increase their rate of growth in evolution by the help of pyramids, by the help of pyramid meditation. We already have millions of people who have got great experiences in pyramid meditation. We are sure in another few years, then the whole world will be pyramids. And we hope to achieve a pyramid jagat, a pyramid world by the year 2016. By the year 2016, we are sure there will be everywhere pyramids. Pyramid energy will be utilized for multiple purposes: meditation, preservation, healing, sleep, and also regular pyramid houses will be built, where the whole house is inside a pyramid, pyramid offices, even pyramid dairy farms, where pyramid energy will be utilized for the cattle, for the cows, for better milk production, so many ways. So, welcome to the Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, welcome to the pyramid energy, and welcome to the pyramid age.
My dear friends, masters and gods, my name is G.Bala Krishna. I've been doing meditation since 2002, and I've been conducting pyramid making workshops since 2005 in accordance with Patriji's wish to achieve Dhyana Jagat by 2012 and Pyramid Jagat by 2016. Patriji says lakhs of pyramids must emerge on earth. It is possible to have lakhs and lakhs of pyramids on earth only when thousands of people possess this knowledge. Therefore, Everybody should become experts in pyramid technology. The pyramid workshops and this CD are an attempt in line with the aspiration of Patriji to make this pyramid meditation and pyramid power available to everybody. Training is given in these workshops for making pyramids with different types of materials and different sizes. Our request is that everybody who comes here to learn should go back only after knowing how to make their own pyramids and teach the same to everyone else. We do not construct a house without knowing the details. But if we know the details like size of the plot, size of the rooms, the number of rooms and the material to be used, then according to our budget, a civil engineer will provide the design and accordingly we can get it constructed by a mason. In the same way, if we know few measurements of a pyramid, we can get it constructed according to the material used. If the material is wood, carpenters will make it. If a sheet material is used, sheet metal worker can make it. And for large pyramids, we will take the help of a civil engineer. The more energy we receive, the more knowledge we obtain. The more knowledge we possess, the more energies we receive. Pyramid is the royal path for receiving more and more energies. We receive 3 times more energy if meditation is done inside a pyramid. It is easier to make a pyramid than to make a master. The same pyramid will make hundreds of masters. Now, let us know the method of making the pyramid. Energy is being received in the pyramid due to the angle of the pyramid, which is 51 degree, 52 minutes, 10 seconds. Suppose this is 90 degree angle. Once this is bent, we will get the inner angle as 51 degree, 52 minutes, 10 seconds. There are 3 methods of making a pyramid. As hinted earlier, energy is stored in the pyramid due to the pyramid angle. Do you know how many measurements are there in the pyramid? There are 2 measurements. First is the base measurement and the second is the side measurement. There are 4 base measurements, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these 4 measurements are equal, but the base measurement and side measurement are different. To make a pyramid, it is just enough to know the base and the side measurements. The base measurement is our choice. The base measurement is decided based upon the space available in the house and the cost involved in making it. But then, how to get the side measurement? There is a formula for this. The formula is side is equal to base into 0.95168. Now, let us know the first method of making a pyramid. Suppose we take the base as 10 centimeters, then side will be base into 0.952. Using this formula, we will get the side measurement, and once the base and side measurements are known, we can make the pyramid. For example, if the base is 10 centimeters, then the side is base into 0.952, that is 10 into 0.952, that equals to 9.52 centimeters. If we take 20 centimeters as base, then the side is 20 into 0.952, that equals to 19.04 centimeters. How do you make a pyramid after knowing the base measurement and side measurement? By maintaining the above base and side measurements, affix them together in this way and we get a pyramid with an angle of 51 degrees, 52 minutes, 10 seconds automatically. The measurements can be taken either in meters or centimeters or in inches. But remember, it is always convenient to take base measurement in centimeters for obvious reasons. For a base measurement of 10 centimeters, the side measurement is 9.52 centimeters. Now, with 9.52 centimeters as a radius, draw a circle with center point as O. This is the side measurement of 9.52 centimeters. Now, take any point on the circle as point A. Measure the base length 10 centimeters using a compass. And A as center, draw an arc cutting the circle at point B. Since we need 4 bases, we have to cut the circle at 4 places, that is B, C, D and E with the same measurement. Now join OA, AB, BC, CD, DE, EO with a dotted line. This dotted line is the marking line. Now cut over the dotted line as shown here. Then the shape will look like something like this. Now align the scale on the line OB like this and bend it inwards. If the material is thick and is unable to bend, take a knife and make a small groove on the bending lines. Then it can be bent easily. After bending, press the corners in this way. When we press like this, all the stiffness gets removed and bending will be easy. In the same way, bend over the line OC, OD and OE. All of them are to be bent inside. After bending all the edges, OA and OE come in contact with each other and we get the pyramid. To get a sharp contact of edges on a thick material, it is sometimes necessary to chamfer the inner edges. Now the first method on paper. Base is 10 centimeters, side is 9.5 centimeters. Then we take the side measurement of 9.5 centimeters with a compass. Draw a circle with 9.5 centimeters as radius. Mark the center as O. Mark any point on the circle as A. Take base measurement 10 centimeters with a compass. With this 10 centimeters as radius and A as the new center, draw an arc intersecting the circle at point B. From point B, draw another arc intersecting the circle at C. Likewise, mark the points D and E so we get points A, B, C, D and E on the circle. Join OA, AB, BC, CD, DE and EO with a dotted line. Now, keep a scale on the dotted line and cut along the dotted line. Now mark the high points. Otherwise, base may change due to the parallax error while bending. Now join the corner high points with O. Keep the scale over these lines and bend inwards like this. After bending all the edges, A and E come into contact with each other and the pyramid is ready. The edges can be held rigidly by putting an adhesive tape over it. If we can make this kind of pyramid templates, we can then make any number of pyramids from these templates. Now let us know the second method. Do you know how many triangles are there in a pyramid? There are 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these 4 triangles are equal in size. In each triangle, there are 2 side measurements and 1 base measurement. That means to make a triangle, it is enough to know 1 base measurement and 1 side measurement. If we join these 4 triangles, pyramid is automatically formed. Let us know how to make these triangles. In this second method, let us take base measurement as 12 centimeters. Then the side is 12 into 0.952, that is equal to 11.4 centimeters. Now We draw a line AB with base length 12 centimeters. Draw an arc using a compass with side length 11.4 centimeters as radius and point A as center. With B as center, with the same radius, draw another arc. Let the two arcs intersect at C. Join AC and BC. Now the triangle is formed. If we cut this, we will get a triangle like this. On the baseline, don't forget to mark it as a base. Now let us see how the pyramid is to be made using this triangle. Mark these 3 points using the triangle so that the base lies at the bottom. Join the marked 3 points. Now lift the triangular template and align the side of this template with the marked side like this, keeping the base always at the outside. Again mark these points and join them. Again lift the template and align the side of the template with the marked side. Mark these points and join them. Finally, lift the template, align the side, mark these points and join them. Now we got the same shape as we got in the first method. If we bend this, just like we did in the first method, you will get the pyramid. This is the second method. Now, the second method on the paper. We have taken the base as 12 centimeters. Now the side will be 12 into 0.52 centimeters, that is 11.4 centimeters. Let us make a triangle with these measurements. With base length 12 centimeters, draw a line AB. Using a compass with A as center and 11.4 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. With B as a center and with the same radius, draw another arc intersecting at C. Join AC and BC. Now we can cut this. Before cutting, mark the baseline, maybe with the word base. While keeping the base always at the bottom, mark these 3 points. Now, keeping the side of the template aligned with the marked side, we can complete the marking of the shape. Cut it through the marked bases. Now this is ready for bending, as we have done in the first method. After bending, these free ends can be joined using an adhesive tape, and the pyramid is formed now. We were using a compass in the first and second methods. With these methods, we can only make pyramids up to the size of a pyramid cap. We cannot make large size pyramids with these methods. For that, we need to use the third method. Now, let us know the third method. We can also call this third method as trial and error method. In the third method also, we will cut the same triangle piece, but the method of making these triangles is different. Let us take the base as 45 centimeters. For this base, the side measurement will be 42.8 centimeters according to the formula. Now, we draw a line AB with the base length 45 centimeters. For making 2 feet or 3 feet pyramids, a measuring tape can be used. Now, this side measurement 42.8 centimeters is to be marked from A and consequently from B. In the first attempt itself, these 2 points may not meet at one point. So, try again and again, adjusting the scale and bringing them nearer until we get a single point C such that AC is equal to BC. To get such a single point C, as told earlier, we have to try again and again adjusting the scale and bringing them nearer until we get such a point C, which is AC is equal to BC. Finally, we should have a single point C that has the same distance from point A and as well as from point B. So this point will be 42.8 centimeters from both points A and B. Now join AC and BC. After cutting this triangular piece, we can use it as a template and proceed with making the pyramid as we did in the second method. Now, third method on paper. Let us take a base of 60 centimeters. This side will be 60 into 0.952 centimeters, that is 57.1 centimeters. Base BA is 60 centimeters. From point B, 57.1 centimeters will come here. From point A, 57.1 centimeters will come here. But we want a single point. So, repeat the procedure till we get a single point which is equidistant from both B and A. Now we got the single point. Remember, this has to be equidistant from point A and B. This can be the template for a 2 feet pyramid. After cutting this, we can use it for cutting 4 more pieces of wood like this, and if they are joined, a wood pyramid is formed. We can use this as a template on copper or aluminium sheet for making copper or aluminium pyramids. By using this method of making templates, we can make pyramids up to 5 feet size. We will not even have a half mm divergence by using this method. Once we get a single point at apex, we will get the correct angle. If we want an aluminium or copper pyramid, take this triangle piece to a metal maker. He will mark this shape on the respective sheet. After cutting, we will get a shape like this. Once it is bent inwards, the pyramid is formed automatically. If we want a wood pyramid, we need to cut 4 pieces like this. After cutting, we have to chamfer the inner edges to get a sharp edge. Otherwise, we will get a gap like this. Once these pieces are joined, a pyramid will be formed. This is a wood pyramid whose edges are joined by applying Fevicol inside. We can then fix this pyramid on a frame like this. Large pyramids. Now let us know about constructing large pyramids either on the ground or on the roof of a house. This is the model of a rooftop pyramid. When rooftop pyramid is built on a base wall, this will be the height of the wall. It is suggested that the height of the wall should not be more than 3 feet. If the height is more, the king's chamber in the pyramid will be at a higher level, and as a result, the energies will be focused at more heights. Remember, this is the base and this is the side. If you want to construct a 10 feet by 10 feet rooftop pyramid, what you have to do is to take 4 10 feet rods and bend like this. We will get a side of 9.52 feet. Cut 4 rods of 9.52 feet long and weld them like this. Place the supporting rods according to the size of the pyramid as shown. Then spread the chicken mesh over it and do the plastering. Thus, the rooftop pyramid is ready. For large pyramids of 30 or 40 feet size, we can get the design from a civil engineer and construct accordingly using concrete. Base and size measurements are to be provided to the civil engineer so that he can give the design accordingly. For smaller pyramids, measurement of height is not required, but for these larger pyramids, height is essential. There is a formula to find pyramid height. The pyramid height will be base into 0.637. If a rooftop pyramid's base is 10 feet, its height will be 10 into 0.637 feet, that is 6.37 feet. So, the height of the pyramid changes with its base. If we take the wall height as 3 feet, then the total height of the pyramid will be 3 plus 6.37 feet, that is 9.37 feet from ground to apex. Thus, the total height of the pyramid is equal to the wall height plus pyramid height. King's Chamber. Now let us know about King's Chamber. King's Chamber is a place inside the pyramid where higher energies are focused. The King's Chamber is located at a height equal to 1/3 height of the pyramid. If this is the base, it will be 1/3 height from here. King's Chamber equals to 1/3 into height. For a 10 feet by 10 feet pyramid, it will be located at 1/3 into 6.37 feet, that is 2.12 feet. So, it will be 2.12 feet height from the base. Higher energies are prevalent in the king's chamber. If we consider a wall of 3 feet, the height of the king's chamber will be 2.13 plus 3 feet, that is 5.12 feet from the ground. Crystals. Now, I will tell you about crystals. These are raw crystals. These are finished crystals. Crystals are to be kept in the apex like this. Crystal's nature is to spread the energy. The effectiveness of the crystal is directly proportional to the clarity in the crystal formation. These crystals are natural stones. This is a finished crystal and this a raw crystal. To test if a crystal is original or not, take the crystal into your hands and do meditation. If the crystal is original, you will be able to sense subtle pulsating vibrations in your hands. Otherwise, there is no difference felt in the hand. This is called a mariner's compass. This is showing north face. First set the points to north and south face exactly. Then if we align the pyramid on this north and south line, higher energies will endure in the pyramid. We need to set the pyramid like this. Even large pyramids are to be aligned with this line to get higher energies. Friends, now we will learn how to make a 12 feet pyramid. Align the mariner's compass in the north-south direction. Keep the marking thread over the needle and draw a line of 12 feet. Now, using the tape and keeping 3 feet base and 4 feet height and 5 feet across, mark a right-angled triangle. Over the marked line, perpendicular to the first 12 feet line, draw another 12 feet line. We now got a L-shaped profile. Keeping 0 point of the tape at one loose end and 24 feet point